feel amazed and I feel surprised because they call my name and they call my country, and that makes us proud.
Okay. And about you, John Israel? Ano yung naramdaman mo nung isa ka sa mga winners ng Junior World Tourism Ambassador?
I feel so blessed, great, and happy to be the winner, knowing the efforts of my team and
Oh, galingan. And of course, ang ating dalagin din.
Well, at that time po, I wasn't really able to process my thoughts and emotions clearly because, of course, I needed to walk into in front of the stage first and receive the award. But when everything finally sank in, I was very happy. I was filled with overwhelming joy. I feel very blessed and proud because, of course, finally, all of the preparations and hard work of me and my team finally paid off.
Wow.
That's all po.
Okay, kaya ano naman tayo mag-start? Okay.
Can you please repeat the question?
Kamusta yung experience niyo sa pageant sa Dalat, Vietnam?
Well, it's amazing po, really, especially as first-timers. We felt very welcomed by the organization and by every people in Dalat po.
Okay. Kumusta ang experience mo sa Vietnam? Nag-enjoy ka ba? Okay. Oh, mukha namang nag-enjoy ka. And of course,
Enjoy po ako kasi yung dalat po para kung Pilipinas yung Baguio.
Parang siyang Baguio.
Oo,
Ang lamig.
malamig.
parang Baguio.
Yes po, ang lamig.
Sino yung naging inspiration nyo para lalong lumakas yung loob nyo during the course nung mismo, yung actual competition na start with Ember?
Naging inspiration ko po yung nanay ko po na nagtatrabaho sa parko. Kasi lagi niyo po akong sinusuportahan kahit siya ay nasa malayo. At ang aking dalawang lola na kahit mahirap lumakad, lagi pa rin akong sinusuportahan at sa aking pamilya.
Wow, sweet naman, oo. And si John Israel, sino yung naging inspiration mo sa Vietnam?
I will dedicate my title award to everyone, to my supporters, family, my team, and everyone who believes in me from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your unwavering supporting me, your continued encouragement, and giving the present giving the motivation to keep going in the receiving out the top days. I am so blessed to have you, and I promise to keep working hard to make you proud. We love you.
Wow, ang haba nun Hindi ko kaya yun. And of course, si Kathleen naman. Ano naging inspiration mo?
My inspiration po is my family, friends, loved ones, and everyone who keeps on believing in me. So they are the ones who have helped me to keep on going, especially during the times when I was doubting myself and in the face of adversity.
Okay, thank you. So, ngayong nandito na ulit kayo, no? So, aside from schooling, ano yung pagkakaabalahan nyo? Meron ba kayong homecoming sa Cardona? Or the school nyo may special presentation ba na gagawin? Let's start with Kathleen.
After schooling po, I really want to, of course, get some rest muna and spend some time with my family and friends. Kasi of course, it is very important that we balance everything out. And after that po, of course, I plan to sharpen my skills and get ready for future opportunities po.
Okay.
Maybe.
Ember.
Una po is magsisimba po kami at magpapasalamat sa Diyos at magsi-celebrate po kami at magpapasalamat po kami sa mga taong sumuporta at tumulong sa akin.
Okay. Si John Israel, anong gusto mong sabihin? Nandito ka na sa Pilipinas. Uli. Ano gusto mong iparating sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga supporters mo?
Thank you for supporters. Thank you for supporters, family. I think in everyone who believes in me from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for unwavering supporting me.
Okay, thank you.
So mamaya, pagkagising nyo, of course, may celebration. So anong celebration yung, paano nyo i-celebrate yung victory ninyo?
Kakain po kami sa
Saan kayo kakain?
Jolly.
Wow! Pwede sumama. Joke lang. Okay.
Ikaw.
So, okay. 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 Next question. So, you were in Vietnam from July 27 hanggang August 1, di ba?
Yes.
Yung competition. So, ano yung, since nakabalik na kayo dito, ano yung mamimiss nyo about Vietnam?
I think yung mga miss ko po about Vietnam is yung mga tao na na-meet ko and naka-close ko doon. Actually, mga people in Vietnam, they're also just like the people here in the Philippines. They're very warm and welcoming. Actually, kanina po, while we were in a market over there, para silang mga Pilipino na, parang, what do you call this?
Parang mga Pinoy din. Pag
Yes po, very,
parang
very,
nasa Pilipinas ka rin.
Yeah, opo, sila palabate.
Oo.
Tapos, alam din po nila yung mga words like maganda, ate, like that.
Yung mga
So,
basic words,
yes
Filipino
po.
words. Okay. Ikaw naman, anong nagustuhan mo sa Vietnam? Jan Israel. Ano yung mamimiss mo? Pagkain?
And my friend.
Okay, how about you, Amber?
Ang miss ko po din yung mga pagkain.
Wow.
Mga
Pork. Masarap ang Vietnamese food, di ba?
Mga pagkain po, tsaka mga lugar, tsaka mga kaibigan ko po din.
Okay.
Sino yung naging best friend nyo sa, or friends nyo sa competition?
Si Angela
From,
from Borneo, Malaysia. And the more from Borneo, Malaysia.
how about you, Janice?
Sinong naging kaibigan mo
Best
doon?
friend mo.
Bukod sa kanilang dalawa.
Ka-close mo doon.
Meron ba?
Ha?
Sino?
Kami daw po.
Talagang sa Pilipino pa rin.
How about you then?
Kathleen.
Actually, madami po akong naka-close doon. Isa na po sa kanila is yung mga girls from South Africa, Haresh from Malaysia, and Adhina from India. And of course po, yung host na rin, sina Sir Rodnel, Kuya Angelo and Maya. Sila
Okay.
po.
So, anong activities anong activities ng Junior World Tourism Ambassador ang naging paborito nyo? Yeah.
Ako po personally, ang pinaka-favorite ko is yung charity event. Kasi it is something that I have been wanting to do. And finally po, nabigyan na rin ng chance. And dun po sa charity event na yun, we were able to meet people with disabilities. And that time din po, may mga ginawa kaming activities kasama sila wherein tinuruan po nila kami kung paano mag-bake, kung paano mag-crochet, paano magtahe. So, yung event po na yun is a simple reminder that even person with disabilities can also do something, can also show their creativity and talent.
Oh, so may magandang purpose pala yung
Yes po,
pagpunta nyo.
super.
Hindi lang kayo nag-compete.
Opo, very meaningful.
Ikaw naman, Jan Israel, anong activity ang gusto mo doon?
Giving gifts to the charity.
Oh, okay. And Amber?
Yung yung city tour po, tsaka yung charity kasi po namimigay po kami ng gifts. At
Wow.
nag-bake po kami.
Wow.
So, anong food ng Vietnamese yung favorite niyo?
Mochi.
Ha? Mold.
Yung para po siyang yung binake po ng mga sa charity event, binake po nila yun. It's like parang siyang monay sa lapas.
Oo.
Tapos with sesame seeds. Tapos yung loob po niya, it's very soft. And the outside part was very crunchy. It's very, very good.
Parang Portuguese bread yata, yung mga ganun.
I'm not
Kasi
really sure po.
may influence lang sila ng
Pero super sarap po talaga. It's a must try it.
Ayun. And finally, ano yung magiging parang message na sa lahat ng mga kabataan out there na nangangarap din na mag-compete at mag-represent ng bansa natin, ng Pilipinas, sa abroad? Yeah.
Of course, keep training hard and smart. Keep believing in yourself and in the talents that God has given you. Kasi, yun po talaga yung magiging foundation nyo. Kasi, of course, during pageants or during competitions, there are times when you'll be facing a lot of uncertainties. And it's very important that you keep on going back na maniwala ka sa sarili mo and sa talents po na binigay sa'yo.
Oh, very well said. Ikaw naman, anong isasabihin mo sa mga bata, mga kaibigan mo na gustong gumaya sa iyo?
Keep dreaming big and things will happen in God's will.
Wow. And Amber?
Maging matatag at huwag pong sumuko.
Okay. Thank you so much. Sige.
So lastly na, anong message nyo sa parents nyo, sa mama at papa nyo?
Baka mag-iyakan tayo. Well, first of all, I really want to thank my mom and dad and, of course, my grandma from South Korea because she has really been supporting me since day one, and without her, I wouldn't be here tonight. I wouldn't be standing in a world stage. So I really want to thank her, and I dedicate all of my victories to them.
Okay.
Si John, ano naman?
Sino
Anong
gusto mong
message
pasalam?
mo?
Oo.
Kay mama at
Message
sa kay
mo.
papa.
Message mo sa papa mo, sa mama mo.
I love you.
Thank you po. Oo, mahal ko po kayo. Okay, nahiya pa si may jet lag. Si Amber.
Una po yung nanay ko po na nagtatrabaho sa barko na lagi ako sinusuportahan kahit siya ay nasa malayo, at sa aking pamilya na lagi din ako sinusuportahan, at sa aking dalawang lola na lagi rin ako sinusuportahan kahit hirap na maglakad, at kay Mami Daddy at kay Ate Mel na lagi akong pinapagod.
Wow, sweet naman. Okay.
Hello, hi, mabuhay. I am Kathleen Yodge-Chun, your Queen World Junior Tourism Ambassador 2026. Thank you to everyone who supported me, especially to my family and friends who never once doubted my capabilities. This is all for you. This is for you, Filipinas. This is for each and every one of us.
Okay.
I am Amber Zanae Perez, and I am your princess from World Junior Tourism Ambassador, and thank you for all the support. And my mom, who is working abroad, and for my two grandmas, who is supporting me even though they are have difficulty at work.
Okay.
James Johnson Marcha, Philippines World Junior Grand Tourism Ambassador 2026, and your winner Prince Taticon.
Okay.